This chocolate cake was invented when eggs, milk, and butter didn't exist. And somehow, it tastes better than the one in your pantry right now. What do you make when life strips your kitchen bare and dares you to survive anyway? That was the 1930s. Eggs and milk weren't ingredients, they were fantasies. But families still needed something sweet. Not for the calories, but for the proof that they were still human. In a small Midwestern kitchen, they didn't wait for a miracle. They mixed one. Flour, cocoa, oil, and vinegar. When that vinegar hit the baking soda, that sudden fizz, that rise, it wasn't just chemistry. It was the batter saying, "Watch me." This cake wasn't born from luxury. It was born from grit and a little bit of swagger. It's called depression cake, and today we're making it exactly how they did, when quitting wasn't an option. Stick around for the recipe.